What's going on this morning, Saoirse? I know. You having such a good time? Are you having such a good time? You are kicking the crap out of the heffalump. Yeah. Are you having a good time on your mat today? Oh, now. You were just all smiles and laughing. What's the matter? What's the matter? Get in your belly. Get in your belly. I am. Little frumpy puss. I'll get in your belly. Oh no. Oh no. What's the matter? Did you tell your bird all about it? Say, hey, bird. Say, hey, bird. There he is. You having a good time watching? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Watching the sun up there. Hi, Dad. Hi. She was all smiles until I got the video camera out.
Of course.
But now she remembered that the bird is over here. Maybe she'll smile for the bird. Oh no! What's the matter? What's the matter? You can't be bored. You've got so much fun stuff on this mat that it's just physically impossible. Blah. 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 Oh, get that heffalump. Was your sun not working like you'd like it to? There you go. Get that bird. Hi. Morning, Dad. Hi. Oh, that's so much fun. Hi. Now you're a happy smiley baby. Now you're a happy smiley baby. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly.
Oh.
Did the bird poop your nose?
You get that bird. You get that bird.
He is.